New bonnets on the block. Wagwan farms, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So today we are going to show you how to get a Bantu bun with a sweep in the center, and we are going to add a little stone to that to make it look cute and nice. Just little something for bring off the sweep basically. So these stones that I'll be using, you can get them on Amazon. I don't know where else, but these ones are coming from Amazon. So you can stay tuned and watch this video if you really want to see what's gonna go down. First, you want to make sure you blow dry the client's natural hair because it's best to work with the hair when it is smooth. Well, that way works best for me. I don't like when the hair is thick and knotty. Well, she don't really have thick hair because the texture of her hair is very thin. Her hair is very thin and light, but I still prefer to blow dry it first. I create a part in the front of her head, like, you know, when you're gonna make a bang. Yeah, them at girls school bang there. Yeah. Then I create my parting for my bang. Use my ocean wax to clean up my parts. I use a scoochie to catch that out the way. Then I am going to go to the back of her head. Basically, I want to catch that into the center because it's going to be a Bantu bun in the center of my client's head. I go ahead and catch that. I'm going to use my Eco Gel, Fashion Plus Wax, and my Got to Be spray to catch her hair as neat as possible because it is natural. I cannot go in with the Eco Gel alone because the type of hair that she has, it will curl up whenever I apply the Eco Gel. So I make sure to baste her hair with the Fashion Plus Wax first, then I use my Eco Styling Gel. Also, using the Fashion Plus Wax with the Eco Gel or the Got to Be spray, that prevents the Fashion Plus Wax from whitening up the client's hair.
You never bring your plate. Should we clap again?
Pew pew.
Come touch it.
Matusha.
Show them too.
Take.
Show them your urn. Come with your plate.
Better.
Big man crab.
For some reason, this client is not holding her head still because she is so into the crab. I have to keep reminding her that, ma'am, I am doing your hair, so please do hold your head. This is how I catch hair. First, I catch the hair, apply my products, and then I remove the scoochie and catch it all over back. Tell me in the comment section, say, I may alone catch up hair that way here because what I know about crab egg. Oh. Yes, I am also going to use the Fashion Plus Wax for the sweep because I don't want her hair to become curly when I apply my Eco Gel. So right here, I am just gluing in a piece of Solar Express here to basically back up the sweep. I want it for thick and look natural, so I am kind of doing an invisible type of thingy here. Then I use my freeze spray to hold that in place. Then I use the Eco Gel to sweep the Solar Express, but I use the Fashion Plus Wax to sweep her natural hair. So each time I apply a piece of Solar Express, I then use her natural hair to cover it because remember, we don't want it to look fake or obvious that we're using false hair or the Solar Express hair. So yeah. And boom, I've completed my sweep and I am just applying more free spray to hold that in place. Man, only can get the sweep here easy 1, 2, 3, you know, if you wanna follow the steps, you know. So as I said in the intro early on, you can get these stones on Amazon. You don't want to apply too much stone for make it look crowded. You just want to put as much where it gonna look cute. Like you just want it to pop and a glowy, but you don't want too much to make it look crowded. If it's too crowded, it not gonna look nice. So yeah. If you're wondering, I did not use anything other than the got to be spray to hold these stones in place.
Guys, so he called me paper.
My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move.
Guys, this is how I prepare my braid to do my Bantu bun. I put a rubber band in the middle of the braid. Then I attach it to the ponytail right there that I am plaiting right now or braiding. I try to put it on as tight as possible because I don't want to start wrapping my bun, it start coming off. So I wrap it over the ponytail once, then I put it between the middle of the braid, then I put it back over both of them. If you're understanding what I'm saying, just make sure so you get it on as tight as possible. Then I'm going to use a small amount of the braid to create a base. Like wrap it around the base of that, then I'm wrapping it between the middle of the braid. I just want to make sure that it is tight. Then I gave her a piece to hold. That piece is basically for my base after I completed my old bun. You want to wrap that slow but as tight and neat as possible. Yes fams, and that's my Bantu bun, and I don't know why this girl is using up my free spray and I didn't give her permission. I don't like that. I don't know, I'm gonna go in with my matches or my lighter. I'm gonna take off the excess hair when I needed because I don't want to trim it and make no mistake and cut it. And you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you like what you have seen. Please drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much.